Hey guys, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from Xrsbeauty. This wig company is not new to my channel. I actually love this wig company just because they just give you everything you need in a wig. And they make it so easy for you. And if you love wigs like me, you love a good wig that comes already put together for you. The wig does come in this nice bright orange packaging, and it did come wrapped in a bow, which is really nice because I do, love the aesthetics of packaging a good packaged wig. So this wig did come pre-styled, and it is a straight texture. So when I say pre-styled, like it came with braids in the front, you guys, which looks so sleek and neat. And I live for a good like wig with braids in it. Like any style that has braids, I don't know, it just does something to me. This is what it looks like. Look at that hairline, you guys. Perfection. All right, now here's the construction. One thing that I'm not a fan of is the faux scalp right here. They give you this extra material, which if you don't like it, you can cut it out, but who wants to go through doing all of that? So hopefully it looks right. I just feel like sometimes when they put this in the inside, you can actually see the difference. Like you can see the indentation of the faux scalp, which right now I see it slightly, but it's not bad. So again, it does come with that in the inside. If that's not something that you like, you probably want to stay away from this wig. Or if you're willing to cut it out, then that's fine. But it comes with 2 combs in the front, and it also comes with some hooks on the side. Because like I said, they did give you the elastic band that you can clip in here, and it is removable. They also give you a comb in the back with a little bit of lace and your adjustable straps. This is what we looking like, which it's not even on my head yet, and it's looking like scalp, you guys. The braids are really, really nice. I can't wait to try this on. And it's looking lovely, you guys. I actually really like the way it's laying. This is what the lace and the hairline and everything looks like up close. I wish I had a black stocking cap. Y'all know I love my black stocking caps. I might just push this stocking cap back a little bit more. So this is what the wig looks like with the lace cut off. And I think that I'm gonna go in because it's lightly plucked right here. So it's giving me lace, because the lace, I don't know if y'all can tell, but you definitely can see the lace. So I'm actually gonna go in with my foundation just to see if it makes a difference. I added finishing powder to the hairline, so let's see if it makes a difference. And I feel like it makes a difference, but at the same time, I feel like this is too far up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it back a little bit, and hopefully that doesn't mess up the braids that's going on, but I can't do my lace all the way on my forehead, you guys. I cut some of the lace off the front, so let's see if it fits my head a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my braids are not centered in the middle of my head. It's slightly off a little bit. And I actually think it's because I applied my wig a little crooked. But for the most part, I like it. Up close, you can't really tell. But far away, you can kind of see how it's slightly off. Nonetheless, it's still a pretty wig. I definitely love the quality. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you are interested in this wig, be sure to check out my description box. But I will see you guys in my next video.